Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ball6David and today I will show you how to change your profile picture on Steam. So I have this very cool picture right here and I want to set it to my Steam profile picture. So let's open up Steam. I have this in my hotbar and probably you are in the library or in the store right now. So to change it, you'll have to go to your profile, obviously. I have the code already set in. Okay, that's great. And once you'll be on your profile, let's press on edit profile, and from here we'll have to select the avatar, press on that, and from here let's you can choose one from the Steam, or if you don't like it you have to press on upload your avatar, and on desktop it was here with the 0 name. Select it or double click, and right now I'll have to press on save button, and this should change my profile picture. It's done. Let's check it. Not right here. Let's go back on the profile, and my profile is changed. Okay guys, I really hope I help you with this tutorial. If I help you, don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel for more guides. I want to wish you one more thing. Have the greatest day you can have.